Hello everyone, for today's video, let's try to solve a problem in Newton's laws. A constant force acts on a 5 kilogram object and reduces its velocity from 7 meters per second to 3 meters per second in a time of 3 seconds. Find the force. Okay, so una, kailangan muna natin gawin is to draw a problem. So halimbawa, meron daw ditong object, okay, na meron siyang velocity that is given by 7 meters per second. Then, after some time, napunta siya dito with the velocity, tawagin natin itong velocity 1 and velocity 2, na merong 3 meters per second. After some time, t is equal to 3 seconds. So, ang hinahanap is the force kung bakit bumagal tong object natin. Okay, so syempre, let's write the given. Okay, so meron tayong velocity 1, which is yung initial velocity niya, which is given by 7 meters per second. The velocity 2, which is the final velocity, given by 3 meters per second. And the time it took for the velocity to be 3 meters per second. That is 3 seconds. Okay, so finally, syempre, meron din siyang mass given by 5 kilograms. Okay, so ang una nating gawin is to write the formula for the Newton's law. Okay, so ang hinahanap natin pala is force. So find force. So to solve this problem, let's write first the formula of the Newton's law. F is equal to ma. Actually, that is summation of force is equal to mass times its acceleration. Okay, so una, syempre, let's see kung pwede na natin itong gamitin tong formula na to. Okay, so ang hinahanap natin is force. Meron tayo dyang force. Next, syempre, we need to have a mass of the object para ma-solve tong force, no? So, meron tayong mass of the object, that is 5 kilograms. So, ang hinahanap natin is acceleration. Meron ba tayong acceleration from the given? Kung mapapansin mo, wala tayong acceleration. But, we can solve acceleration using kinematics. Okay, so, una nating palang kailangan hanapin is yung acceleration. So, for find A, for acceleration A, okay, so, we can use the acceleration formula. Acceleration is given by the change of velocity over the change in time. Or that is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity over time. Or that is also equal to, anong final velocity? That is 3 meters per second minus 7 meters per second over 3 seconds. Ito yung time, no? 3 seconds. So, ibig sabihin, yung initial time natin is 0. Okay, so lagay din natin dito, final minus initial. Okay, so meron tayong 3 seconds minus 0 second. Saan galing yung 0 second? Siyempre sa initial condition dito. Bago mangyari yung motion. Okay, so ibig sabihin pala, we have our acceleration is given by negative 1.33 meters per second squared. So, ito pala yung acceleration natin. Okay? So, anong meaning ng negative? Ibig sabihin, yung acceleration natin ay bumabagal or ibig sabihin, nagde-decelerate yung object natin. Yun yung meaning ng negative acceleration. So, bumabagal yung object. So, now, tama siya kasi from 7 meters per second, naging 3 meters per second. So, bumagal. So, tama tong sign. Okay, so finally, since we have your acceleration A, we can write or we can find the force is equal to mass times its acceleration, or that is mass is 5 kilograms multiplied by the acceleration negative 1.33 meters per second squared. So finally, we have a force is given by negative 6.7 Newton. So this is our final answer. Okay, so bakit kaya negative? So, ibig sabihin, meron ditong retarding force na kinokontra yung motion natin. Okay, so that is also called the frictional force. Okay, retarding force or frictional force. Ito yung force na nagkokontra sa motion ng object. Okay? Okay, so that's all for today.